Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn. So today I decided to make a video. Well, I'm actually going to be filming 3 videos today. Today I'm thinking of doing a multi-random palette bingo, but this time I'm thinking of using the eyeshadows that I have in my Halloween project pan, and I already swatched them on my arm so you guys could see them. It is 10 shadows, so I'm going to be picking out 3 shadows from here with a random number generator, but I'm also going to be getting a random palette using my palette Roulette. So let's do that. And I'm sorry if you guys could hear my fan. It's really hot today and I can't turn it off. Here's my eyeshadow palette Roulette. Pure Midnight Masquerade. Okay, so I'm not going to use that one because I actually have 3 shadows here from that palette, so I'm going to get another one. Morphe 35P. So this is going to be a really neutral look because this palette is really neutral. So this is what the Morphe 35P palette looks like. It's really neutral and hopefully I get the purples. So I'm going to be getting 3 shades from here first. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys, these first 3 are from the Pure Masquerade palette, and then starting here all the way to the black, it is from the Revolution Haunted House palette, and this orange one is the pumpkin shade from the Ace Beauté Flare palette. Okay, so there's 10 shades here and I'm going to get 3, so here is my random number generator. I got 4, 2, and 9. So let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 4. This one is from the Haunted House palette, and then I got 2. This one is from the Pure Masquerade palette, and then I got 9, which is the black one. So number 4 is Demonic. And then 2 is Disguise from the Pure Festival palette. Number 9 is Nightmare, the shimmery black. Okay, so this palette has 35 shades. So I'm going to generate 3 shadows from this huge palette. So here we go. I put 1 through 35 in my random number generator. So I got 19, 32, and 12. So 19 is this shimmery purple shade. You can't really tell, but it's shimmery. It's this one right here. It's like a really dark purple. And then 32, oh great, you gotta be kidding. So this would only happen to me. I got another black, and it's this one right here. So that's 32. And 12 is another purple, but it's similar to the first one. It's this one right here. Okay, so here is the color story I have to work with today. As you can see, I have 2 blacks and 2 purples, this one and this one, and they look very similar, the purples. This one has a little bit of shimmers. I don't know if you can see it, but this one doesn't, and this black is darker than this one. This black is grayish black, so we'll see. But at least I got 2 light shimmers, so hopefully I could create a pretty look, but we'll see. But anyways, before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX Pigment Primer. This one right here. And I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already primed my eyes and I did set it, and I set it with this white shadow right here. I think I'm ready to begin. I'm going to begin with one of the dark purple shades, which is this one right here, the one without shimmers, which is never mind, the one without shimmers is this one right here, and that's shade number 12, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. I was really hoping to get one of these bright purples over here, but oh well, it is what it is. Okay, this dark purple doesn't even look purple. I mean, it does, but really dark purple. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush with no product, and it's just this little mini Luxie brush, tapered brush. I'm just going to be using a bigger brush to blend because I feel like that brush was too small. Okay, so now I think I'm going to apply the other purple, the one with the shimmers. This one right here, which is number 19. So 19 is this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that like in my outer V and a little bit in. Okay, this purple is prettier. And it's way more pigmented. Okay, now I'm going back to that blending brush, the smaller one. Going back with a big brush. Okay, I think I'm going to put a little bit more because it's looking patchy right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting the shimmers. So I'm going to be putting the shimmers all over my lid, and it might not match, but I'm going to be putting the red right here first and then the pink. But we'll see. Hopefully it looks kind of good because I do have to film a video after this. And I am adding NYX Glitter Primer first. And with the same brush, I'm going to be going into Demonic, which is this red shade right here. It's not looking that bad actually. I think I really like it. Okay, so now I'm going into the pink, this one right here, which is from the Pure Masquerade palette, this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Okay, so now I think I'm going to be doing the same thing on this other eye. Now I'm going into the black shade Nightmare, which is this one right here, shade number 9. And I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line using this smudger brush. I'm just going to put it like up to here because after that I'm going to put the other black from the other palette, which is like a gray black, so I feel like it might look better. So now I'm going to be using this black right here from the Morphe palette, which is this gray black right here. And I'm going to put it on the rest of my lower lash line. So I kind of messed up the outer V because I dragged the black all the way up there. So I'm going back into that purple with the shimmers. And I'm going to try to blend out this bottom part. Hopefully it doesn't get messy. I feel like I made it too thick on the bottom, so I'll probably fix it with a Q-tip or something. Okay, so I already used all of these shades right here. It kind of sucks that I got 2 purples and 2 blacks because you can't really tell a difference where I put the purples and the blacks. But anyways, I'm going to be putting eyeliner and mascara off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I'm using on my waterline is this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner, and it is in the shade Fiery. This one right here. For the top liner, I am using this, the Hank & Henry Blickety Black liner. And for mascara, on this eye, I'm using the Superhero Mascara. This one right here. So, I don't know if you guys can see a difference. And for this eye, I'm using the Hourglass Mascara. The Hourglass Unlocked Instant Mascara. So, I don't know if you guys can see a difference. I feel like they look the same. I don't know, maybe this side does look a little bit thicker. Hopefully you guys can see if there's a difference. Okay, if the angle looks different or something, it's because the battery died, so I just had to switch it. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it came out really pretty. I like how the purple and the red shimmers and the pink shimmers look together. I just feel like the purple looks a little patchy on this side, but on this side it looks good, I think. I don't know. I feel like this is a really dark look, but I really like it. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below, and let me know, I don't know, how have you guys been? I hope you guys have been doing well, and I will try to catch up on your guys' videos this week since I do have 2 weeks off before my fall semester begins. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if